Okay, so starting out with the first example, okay? So just to answer Laura's question, when it says arc sine of minus 0.1, this is the same as sine inverse of minus 0.1, okay? So the question for you is this minus 0.1 stuff or angle? Stuff or angle? Stuff. And your answer should be in radian. Nice, good job. Okay, so can you get your calculators out and work this out? Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to do sine inverse minus 0.1 followed by sine of the answer. Okay, Justin, having fun there? Let's have more fun with math, Justin. So sine 5 pi over 4. Angle or stuff? Ooh, stuff. Everybody with me? So give me stuff, please. What is stuff? Yes, what is stuff? In other words, sine 5 pi over 4 equals, should be able to get this from your friend's table. Should be able to get it from your friend's table. So I'm kind of thinking about this without a calculator right now. Okay, so this is all friend's table. Myra, come back to earth.
I'm thinking.
Oh. And your answer is, after all the thinking? So no calculator, friend's table, sine 5 pi over 4. What quadrant is this dude in? Third quadrant. Sine in third quadrant be negative, so there should be negative root 2 over 2. Is everybody with awesome here, except for the minus sign? Yes? Okay, and then you want the sine inverse of this. What quadrant will the answer be in? What quadrant will the answer be in? Huh? Okay, you guys didn't read your notes last night. Okay, I'm going to pause here, go back and read your notes. Okay? And minus pi over 2 has got to go which direction? Clockwise, so it's got to be out here. Now, which two quadrants are those? 1 and 4. So going back to our problem, remember the answer to this has got to be an angle or stuff. Sine inverse of minus root 2 over 2. Angle or stuff? Angle? Which quadrant does it have to be in? Wait a minute. Okay, it's one angle, so it's got to be in one place only. Is it in 1 or is it in 4? Why is it in 4? Fantastic. So your answer here should be negative pi over 4. Right? Because if you go back to your reference angle, okay, your reference angle is out here. If you go into your friend's table, which angle has a sine of pi root 2 over 2? Which angle has a sine of root 2 over 2? Pi over 4. Okay, remember inverses, we are talking radians. So it's got to be pi over 4, except since it's going clockwise, it's got to be negative pi over 4. Now, why did I create this problem? Well, I created this problem because from the previous example, this one here, we decided that these two things cancel, right? This guy and this guy cancel, right? Well, be careful, okay? They don't necessarily cancel there. You don't get your answer to be 5 pi over 4, right? So this is called a trap. And traps are always put in. Thank you, Beta. Guys got the message? Got the message? Didn't get the message? Didn't get the message that traps are put on tests, or didn't get the message that this is a trap? Because the answer is not what you would think, like this one here. You got minus 0.1 because you canceled the sine inverse and the sine. You canceled it. And you got the same answer. Nothing happened. You can't cancel it here. Because your answer is this. It's not this. Okay? So that's why this is a trap. because you would have the tendency of canceling this and saying the answer is 5 pi over 4. It's not. Okay, you guys all right on that? Okay, one last example. Oops. Wait a minute. Should have started out with this simpler example. I don't know why I skipped that. Which direction is this thing going? No, that's not what I want. Yeah. I want this. Okay, this one should be easy. Use an inverse trig function to write theta as a function of x. So somewhere along the line I should see sine to the -1 or cosine to the -1 or tangent to the -1. You decide what it's going to be. You decide what it's going to be.